Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. I got my buddy, my best friend, my son Nolan. How are you doing?
Good.
What's today?
About the Friday.
Firebird Friday? That's right, it's Firebird Friday. If you've seen in the last video, I did a little teaser of what the car looked like after I took it to the body shop. She's not looking too good, a little disappointed. But Nolan and I, we're gonna go check it out, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna go check the car out, see what it looks like, and make a game plan. So we're gonna head that way and see what she looks like. You ready?
Yeah, go.
All right, let's head out.
Yeah.
You think you can fix this part, Nolan?
Yeah.
Right here? How would you do that?
I know.
You don't know? Ended up getting a new light valance in the back here because, as you can see, it is pretty beat up, so that'll all be replaced brand new. This must have all been Bondo. I didn't even know it was here, but they will replace that with a piece of sheet metal. Luckily, the roof is in pretty good shape. That's a good thing because that is going to save some money. Oh, these quarter panels. You'll see here in a little bit how bad the shape they're in. Oh my gosh. The firewall doesn't look too bad. There's a few minor holes in here. They'll get replaced with some sheet metal, welded up, a little bit of body filler, and these will look brand new. Same thing up here, a little beat up, a couple minor rust holes. We'll fix those up with some sheet metal or welding and some body filler. You can't see that when it's all put together, but still want it to be looking good. Got a brand new kick panel ordered and coming in. It'll be getting put on there. Ordered 2 brand new quarter panels. Oh my gosh, I tried to save money years ago and took it to a guy, and obviously he filled it all with Bondo, and this is what was underneath, but it's gonna look perfect when it is all complete. Door skins got brand new. We'll be putting those on as well. Alright, we're back where we started, back in Old Scarlet. Finished checking out the car. What'd you think of that shop?
Good.
It was good? Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. A little update on the car. As you can see, there's still a lot of work to be done, but it didn't turn out quite as bad as I thought it was going to be. So fingers crossed, get some body panels and start getting them put on there and get this car into paint soon. Getting excited. You getting excited, Nolan?
Yes, it is.
All right. Well, you know what, Nolan? We're not going to drag up, but we're going to roll on up out of here. Peace.
Peace.